Oh, the holidays are coming up, and this is a time for either your significant other or yourself to purchase some beard products. And this is a great segue into what kind of products do you need and what do we not need in these clippers, trimmers, shavers, razors, and yeah, let's just get into that. You know, I posted a video the other day and I was bringing out some clippers, and I think I was talking about Manscaped. I was bringing up like Brio from Beardscape, and there's so many clippers out there. And I think it's interesting as someone who does a lot of reviews and who has a lot of these products, I actually find myself going back to the same because they're the most comfortable. Now, I find that when I go and use these products, I find myself going to ones that work for me. And I noticed that Manscaped came out with, I believe it's their new like 5.0. I don't know if it's their 8.0. You know, they come out with one almost every other year. And I've used them all. And I see that they're adding on and they're putting new technology into it, better battery life, better guards. At the end of the day, it really doesn't matter what you get, it's what you like. And it's people like us, I'm not going to put myself on a pedestal, but you know, I'm looking down, I'm looking at all the products, some of the things that I use. And the first thing I want to just get out of the way are clippers. And the two ones that I use regularly are Brio from Beardscape. I got their first and second version. I believe this is their first. And then I also use this Norelco from back in like 1990. And two reasons why I use these. One, because they're reliable. And two, because the battery life. Now, I do know that Manscaped has widened their clippers, and I think that's helped a lot. But one of the biggest things for me is actually the guard, and why I like the Norelco is when I put on guards like barber style, you have to put them on, put them off, where I like the Norelco because I can just slowly pull them up and slowly take them down. And that's a benefit that I like. Do I like Manscaped? Yeah, they make a good product, but it took them a while to get there. Because like when you compare them to Manscaped's versions 1 and 2, they really didn't. That's the thing. That Norelco, I mean, was far surpassed it, right? Because they had a wider tooth, right, clipper. I don't know what the term is, but yeah, it was wider. And same with Beardscape, right? They actually went and did kind of the same with Manscaped, but they added an adjustable guard for their ceramic blade, which definitely helps out with your trimming and your fading. But last reason why I want to bring this up is Manscaped is definitely a brand that you're going to spend money on because it's a marketing brand. So I want to say, like, you know, Apple makes a great product and they push their product, but are they the most innovative? No. You know, you look at like Samsung Galaxies, you look at the Razr, those guys like to push the limits, where Apple knows their base likes consistency and they don't like to go too far out of the box when it comes to new innovation. They actually like to see what's working and then they'll implement it into their software and their hardware. And so that's why I kind of bring up these clippers, is because these guys had it out before, right? And then I think Manscaped slowly tacked on. And, you know, that's cool. That's cool for Manscaped to be a, you know, well-known household brand, right? But when you get down to it, I actually, just for the price point and what you get, I definitely like to stick with my Brio from Beardscape. And the main purpose of this video is to show you that it's okay to have multiple clippers at the end of the day, because that's why I brought it up in the beginning. Like, holidays are coming up and you're probably going to get these new clippers or razors, depending on if you have this beard game going on. Don't get offended when you get them. You'll be surprised when you start using these things that they might be better than what you already have. You know, that's why I referenced like the Apple iPhone, you know, and you're used to the Apple iPhone and then you use a Samsung Galaxy. Yeah, it's a little different, but man, they got some new features that you might not use on your Apple, and it's cool, right? So don't be offended if you get something new. Try it out and you actually might like it. And then two other things I kind of want to dive into as well, because, you know, we're bringing up Manscaped. One thing I really actually do like from Manscaped is their safety razor. And this is a video I might do on its own, but man, I've got leaf shave, Okay, they got a multi-blade. I got their twig. And then I also have an electric razor. And surprisingly enough, I sometimes go back to the multi-blade on the leaf shave. Now, Manscaped actually has a fun, small little multi-blade razor. I think it's a 3 multi-blade. And I actually really like that. I used them all out already. They're getting kind of dull, but for the actual jewel part of your body, that's probably one of my favorites when it comes to like smoothness, no cutting. But man, when it comes to your beard and it comes to your cheek line, I'm really having a tough time going back to the multi-blade. I really like having a line and not going under the subsurface with the safety razor. And it's really reliable. And once again, man, getting a pack of razors, I think it's like 20 bucks, maybe 30 bucks if you're getting on a high end. And that's going to last you for a year. If I'm doing 2 or 3 shaves, they give you a pack of 100. It's absolutely crazy. So the main purpose of this video, again, you guys, we're going to be coming into the holidays and you're going to be getting a lot of different products, but don't get upset when you get them. I know that sounds kind of weird, right? And you're not like, you're going to push them off, but give them a try. You'll actually be surprised how well they might work out better than what you're already using. And that's what it is at the end of the day. We want a great experience when it's coming to shaving, because you'd be surprised how much we spend on all these things. I have just been blessed and fortunate where a lot of these companies will send me some stuff for me to review, and I find myself going back to the original stuff that I've used. But every once in a while, like I remember when I did leaf shave, this is actually a great razor and I love the pivot on it. I really do. But I find myself going back to the safety razor. Manscaped makes a great safety razor. There are a lot of companies that make great safety razors. So if you get something that you're not really used to, give it a shot. You might like it better. And this is the part that I like about this grooming stuff is there's always something new. And right now I need to find something for this pimple on my nose, because this is the second time. I did a video the other day and I had a pimple on my cheek, and I don't know. I'm lost. I think it's probably all the carbs and sugar and crap I'm eating. So yeah, let me know what you guys are using, what you think of Manscaped's products, and maybe some other ones that you're enjoying or what you're not enjoying. With that, I hope this helps you guys out in choosing the selection of what you guys are using in your beard and product line. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. See ya.